Okay, so after we have run our chemical reactions, the final step of doing a lab is to clean up. So here are some pieces of lab equipment you can use to help you with cleaning the glassware. So the first one is a wash bottle. So it's kind of like a squeeze bottle, and it's generally filled with deionized water, which is a type of purified water that has all the minerals and other stuff removed from it. And we use deionized water as a final rinse when we're cleaning glassware. We can also use it if we need to add purified water to a solution to dilute something. So the wash bottle, you just squeeze it on the sides and then it kind of squirts out. I also use wash bottles for soap, so make sure you read the labels on those and that you don't mix them up. And then another thing that we frequently use is a test tube brush. And these can come in different sizes. Some are really small to get in teeny tiny test tubes, and some are much bigger. And these are used to scrub and clean our glassware. So hopefully if we clean our glassware right after use, it really isn't that dirty, and a quick rinse can kind of take care of things. But if it's been sitting around for a while, it can actually kind of get a little crusty deposits on it that you need to kind of scrub off. Test tube brushes, like I said, come in many different sizes, so make sure that it makes sense for the size of glassware you're using. If you're washing a big beaker, you want to have a big brush. If you're washing a little test tube, you need a little test tube brush. So I hope this helps when it comes to cleaning. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.